Kitty, thank you very much. Alam niyo naman, ang dami talagang excited na makita at makarinig ng balita kay Tatay Digong. So first question is, kamusta po si Tatay Digong in your visit today?
Okay, hello! So, manahid lang po na I will make this medyo short today since I am yet to get breakfast like I told them kanina and tapos ko hapon. But for the visit today, it went very light. There were lots of laughs today as compared to the other days. Maybe because no first day, medyo alam mo na baguhan kasi we haven't seen each other in like a couple of months. So it was emotional the first time. But this visit was quite light. We were laughing the whole time and there was even this moment where he grabbed the microphone sa mga nakikinig and he told them in Bisaya na ito pakinggan nyo, tawa kami ng tawa. Kaya, ayun. So it was a light visit and he's okay. Today I was able to bring him snacks because to make up for my forgetfulness yesterday, I was able to bring him his favorites. Ayun, actually may hawak ako na Coke Zero kanina in the car. But I got him his favorite nacho cheese Doritos, caramel waffles, sa isang Coke Zero and Gatorade. Kaso, he was able to finish the Gatorade, pero yung Coke Zero, hindi na naubos. So, ako yung nagdala ngayon. Ayun, he kept asking today about my mother and of course, I reassured him na we're doing everything we can and that she is okay, she is well. Of course, she misses him. They message each other. But ayun, sadly, we have to cope up with the situation. And ayun, yung may pinaabot lang siyang message to my mom na you and only you daw. So,
Wow.
baka magalit yung mom ko pag Hindi naman, pero ayun, he just wants to reassure my mom because he knows that she is in a lot of agony pag hindi niya nakita yung dad ko. Siyempre, they've been together for so many decades already. So, of course, they're used to each other's company. And ayun naman, yung ibang kwento namin is about people here outside. So, I was able to talk about everyone, his supporters who wait every day outside. And he asked yung ilan ba today. Sabi ko, I'm not sure, but I did see a few a while ago before I went in. And so, at least now, may kwento ako para sa next visit ko na medyo madami kayo dito. So, masasabi ko yun sa kanya because he was smiling about it and kwento ko sa kanina sometimes, especially in the Philippines, nilalapitan ako ng mga babae na medyo kaedad niya or may edad na umiiyak sa akin, Kitty, kailan ba lalabas yung papa mo? Miss na miss ko na siya. Ayun, parang kinilig naman siya doon. He was happy to hear it and he's happy to know that you're still showing up, you're still here to love and support and, just be there through this very overwhelming and challenging journey.
Kitty question.
Hindi na pag-usapan kayo about current events in the Philippines?
That was nag-uusap sila ni Vicky on the phone, so I left it to So, VP was able to read him the newspaper and ako naman yung sa usual, family matters. Kasi ang dami niyang tanong usually. Ngayon, napag-usapan namin si Mira na ayaw pumasok, medyo matigas yung ulo. We had a hard time with that today. Sabi niya, nasabihan daw si Mira, pag hindi siya pumasok, hindi daw siya uuwi. So, ayun. And then we just went back and forth about every single member of the family. Kinamusta niya, o kamusta si Bulong. Tapos, kay Sarah na naman, Sebastian, and me. And ayun, sabi niya, para sa akin daw, hindi mo na daw magpaligaw. So, ayun, kailangan kong sundin yun ngayon. So, ayun, he was,
Sorry.
yes,
Kitty, you're so beautiful. My question for you is,
yes.
before kasi nakita ko, wait a minute.
Alam ko, may picture tayo dati.
True that.
Ang ganda natin dalawa.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, tanong ko lang sa'yo, kasi alam ba ni former president na may tatlo kang billboard, one is the biggest in Makati.
Yes, he actually memorizes where they are located, yung mga billboards na yun. So, sometimes, oh, kamusta na yung billboard mo dun sa ganito, sa location na yan? Okay naman, nandun pa rin. And I do send him pictures of it, all of them also. And minsan tanong niya pa, oh, kailan ba yan madagdagan? Sabi ko, hintay ka lang, hindi pa tayo masyado sikat next time na. Ayun.
Kasi yung sa Makati nakita ko, pero yung sa Davao and the other is ano. So, thank you for that.
Yes,
Oo.
thank you.
Anong oras nag-start ang visit mo, Kitty, today?
It started at
So,
2:30.
na bago oras.
And then at 4, bago lang. So, it was the usual 1 hour and 30 minutes. Tapos, yun, very eventful naman ng aming ngayon. Puro tawanan, puro actually, I try to massage his hands, gano'n. Yung mga pag gano'n lang, sabi niya okay lang daw siya kasi feels strong today. So, ayun.
Okay.
Question lang. Is the characterization of your father physical appearance being bones and skin still varies?
I wouldn't say bones and skin. Of course, they have to feed him there. It's their responsibility, their obligation. But yes, he is losing a lot of weight, and but also he concluded na it comes with the aging, of course. When he realized na minsan nga sinasabi niya, oh, I am 84, I am 85. No, huwag ka, you are 80. Ayun. So, bata pa ka, hindi pa pwede. So, ayun, I remind him na, hindi, bata ka pa, malakas ka pa. Ang dami mo nga nakakrush sa'yo dyan sa labas eh. So, ayun, tumatawa lang siya. Ayun nga, of course, he lost weight. Lalo na as compared to before he was taken. Kasi, syempre at home, he can eat whatever he likes. He has a support system. And ayun, of course, when you're in a place you don't belong to, it comes with the emotional and the mental and the physical distress. So, anyone will understand kung bakit payat siya. He doesn't have the appetite. But he does eat. He does.
Ikaw, Kitty, have you recovered from the trauma in Villanueva Air Base?
Ako, yes, naman, I would say. Kasi, it really came with the kind of upbringing both of my parents gave me. And kasi, my mother is very tough. She's a disciplinarian, very authoritative. My father is very gentle. Kung sa atin pa, konsentidor. Pero I think that certain dynamic that we created really molded me into who I am today and what I'm capable of taking it.
Just to follow up on my previous question, Kitty, can you share to us the activities that your father is doing there, like walking perhaps, or what and any other activities?
Ito kasi siya, minsan ayaw magsabi ng totoo. So, sometimes I have to ask the guards inside. But as of what I've heard, there are times that he does walk around. Like I always remind him, uy, pag bilad dira sa init, kay para na sa imong muscles, sa imong pupok, kailangan maglakaw-lakaw ka, kailangan malihok yung imong lawas. So, sometimes, sundo niya, sometimes dili. He's a really stubborn guy. So, it really just depends on what his mood is for the day. He does walk around. Sometimes he does read. Sometimes he watches different channels. Sometimes, and he can't use the laptop because he isn't techie at all and he doesn't know how to use it. But ayun, TV, lakad, and yun, talking to us, our calls.
Just one last question. You mentioned before that he's looking out by the window, thinking if may tao pa ba sa labas. Can he see the people outside, or is it
No, he can't.
okay.
Parang alam mo kung muni-muni niya, ganon. When parang, well, I think all of us naman, in our solace sometimes, we get too deep into our thinking. So, just the same with him inside. Napapaisip siya palagi. Thinks of the family, he thinks of everyone, the supporters. And sometimes he would even joke around na, uy, ako din I was looking by the window. Last night, I was talking to you. Did you hear? Tapos sabi niya, oh, narinig ko. Nag-reply nga ako. Parang ganon. So, he's still the same joker, a very humorous person. And, ayun. Ang sabi niya, do not worry about him daw. Kasi, sanay siya eh. Sanay siyang mag-adapt to what life brings. He's used to dealing with whatever cards he's given. So, ayun yung sabi niya.
Thank you, Kit.
Alam ko, gutom na siya. No? May question ka, go. Taga Davao, go.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Oo, sir.
Any plan for 2028?
Sino?
Ikaw.
Ako! Hindi, secret. Madami akong plano para sa sarili
I
ko.
know defense is not the right word.
Sorry?
I will come.
Yes, yes. Ayun, it's not my time yet, and both my parents, they know of my personal plans, and ayun, I don't want to make any premature announcements. So, ayun, I'm thinking of me muna. I still have a lot of improvement and a lot of growth to,
What's in your mind? It's in your mind to defend your country.
She hasn't eaten, pero can we few minutes for pictures?
Yes.
Okay, ganito.
Miss,
Yung mga mariners na may deadline na sasakay na, halina kayo. Bilis.
Miss
Okay, dito. Yung mga
Just,
mariners.
can you
Yung
can
mga
you send a message? It's from U.S. that he has a lot of support from U.S. Florida man.
Sabihan ko siya, ma'am.
Yes, he has a lot of supporters in.
Okay.
Alvin, pakikuha rin sa ako.
Yung
Ako aga.
pasakay na po ng barko.
Thank you, gang. Thank you, Kit. Ha?
Thank you.
Oh, ito, yeah. Sino ang kumuha ng camera nito? Ito.
Ako na po.
Ay, nakailan ninyo diri, oh. Ay, nakailan ninyo.
Camera nyo na yan?
Lani.
Miami.
Ito. Ready? Ayan. Go.
Office, please.
Oo. Sure. Okay. Okay, next. Yung ibang pang mga first-timers.
Hindi, basta na dyan kayo, mga first timer ta.
Okay, first-timers. Go. Kami.
Ano yung kumamit?
Sama pa ako. Sige. Go. Okay, go.
Galing
Ako na. Sige. Dito tingin, ready? 1, 2, isa pa po. 1, 2. Okay.
Miss US.
Dito po labas.
Dito tingin, legit.
Okay. Dito, mga London.
Can I do US after?
Camera nyo, where is your camera?
Dito, Kit.
Ano na yung camera nyo?
Ito yung camera nila.
Akin na. Sige.
Go.
Ako naman mamaya, kunin nyo ha. Please. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, sama dito. Dito tingin. 1,
Yes,
2.
yan si Ano.
Okay.
US.
See you next. US naman, US. Okay, UK. US naman, US.
From US.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Dito kami naman.
Okay. Dito po pasok. Okay. Sir. Okay. Next. Would you want? Okay. Sino pa ho?
Pero pag taga-Germany, sir, oh. Bilisan nyo na, sir.
Ma'am, dito sa inyo, di pa kumakain ng TV.
Hindi na lang, mag-selfie na lang.
Sabay na ako sa inyo. Sabi ni Tatay Digong, sexy na daw ako masyado.
Wala to lang.
Yung family nyo.
Ayan.
Thank you. Kami.
Patayo ko sa inyo.
Ano, husband mo?
Wala, ikaw na lang daw.
Sabi kita.
Nakakangawin event.
Wait, 50 pesos. Uy, 1, 2, go. Thank you. Next topic is sa'yo, ha?
Yeah, my mom is so fast.
Go.
I didn't even realize.
Thank you.
So, magka-selfie pa po.
Ready? Yeah, magkaka picture. Okay.
Ay, bye.
Sino next? Kayo na.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yun si Man.
Kasama ko sa Tatay Digong.